What's up, guys? This is your boy Mackinson. I have something to say, and what I have to say, I just want everyone to benefit from it. That's why I'm not trying to speak Creole, because I want all the nation to understand what I'm about to say as well. And this video is dedicated to all the females, all females in general. I don't care who you are, Spanish, American, Haitians, Jamaican, whoever, as long as you're a female, this video is dedicated to you. Now, nowadays, there's a lot of, big booty stuff going on nowadays, which is what they call them fake booties. And the funny thing about it, you ladies think that us guys don't understand what's going on. So you see us, you acting like you all that. Oh, nobody can talk to you. Why? Because you got this big old junk going on back here. But what you don't understand is that we see it, and it doesn't look good, sweetie. I'm sorry. Some of y'all, it come out really good. But some of y'all, I don't know if somebody don't have the nerve to tell you guys that that big old booty you have going on back there with the skinny legs, we see it all the time. And a lot of time you work right by us. We don't say anything. Believe it or not, we laugh. We'd be like, what's that? But you know what? We kind enough, to keep our bad coming to ourselves. But let me tell you something, my dear. I don't know after how many, booty destroy that's going on nowadays that you're gonna stop doing this. That's something I need to stop doing this, man. You're beautiful. Let me tell you something. As a woman, you was naturally beautiful. I don't care what others see you with this, that you're beautiful. Why do you have to put that thing back there? And the funny thing is, it don't even match your tight. You got this big old junk going on so long, and then your tight is so skinny, and then it's obvious. We see it. Stop it. We see it. Trust me, we do see it. Now, my thing is, if a nigga gonna love you, I'm sorry for saying the N-word. If a guy gonna love you just because of your big booty, then he doesn't love you. Okay? If a guy gonna love you just because you got a plump lips, you got a beautiful skin, you got this, he doesn't love you. Because you know what? What he needs to love is the beautiful woman that you are inside of you. You know what I mean? Because do you guys notice that there's a lot of booty eating up going on that this day? Booty going wrong. Booty, bad booty. Come on, I'm sorry, guys, but it's not my business. But listen, y'all females, y'all destroying yourself. Y'all so beautiful, man. Do you think that big booty you got back there, that's what gonna make you find a man? Really? He's gonna take it up. Well, of course, you're gonna find him. He's gonna enjoy it, but is he gonna stay? No. That plump face, and I'm thinking, some of y'all so addicted to this thing. It's like, to me, every time y'all look in the mirror, y'all find something wrong. Because once you go to surgery once, you'll go a second time. You'll go a third time. You'll go a fourth time until you messed up your body. So you mean to tell me you paid big time money to mess up yourself? Listen, man, stop it. Okay? And then what I hate about some of y'all, man, y'all come, oh, man, y'all the S, man. Y'all the... Nobody can say nothing to y'all. You got that wigs going on all the way to your back, and then you thinking you look so fly. Sweetie, you don't look good at all. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. You ugly with all this, plump face going on, with all this, injection going on in your... It ain't working for me, man. Listen, man. My lovely ladies, you are strong. The same man that you're doing all this for, you are the same woman that gave birth to us. We came from you. So therefore, we have to accept you for who you are, regardless. Please, I've done seen so many bad booties and on Facebook, on Instagram, because why? That silicone you put back there does not matches your body. And then what's going to happen? You guys catch an infection. And the next thing you know, so it's like... Some of y'all die from that crap, man. Please, I'm begging y'all. Spanish woman. Y'all pretty big in that stuff. American woman, Haitian woman, Jamaican woman. Hey, don't worry about my accent, okay? So just get the message. I hope you guys get the message, because let me tell you something. Whether your booty is flat or not, what's really count is the person inside of you. The beautiful person you are inside of you. Because believe it or not, you could go and spend all this money to put all this back there, and if your quality, if your behavior, if you don't know how to treat people, you'll still be ugly regardless. So what you really need to fix It's the person inside of you. Be kind enough to yourself. Love yourself enough to stand for yourself. And if a nigga think you're ugly, then you stand on him saying, you know what, something? If you don't like me, then the next nigga will. There's a woman out there for every nigga, and there's a woman out there for every nigga, and there's a nigga out there for every woman. So if he doesn't like you, move on to the next one. So you don't have to deform yourself to do all this crap just because you could get a little bit of attention from a nigga. Because the same attention you think you'll get when you look at you with your funny looking butt. Let me show you something. This is you walking with a bit. We'll be like, yo, what the fuck was that? I don't mean to be rude. It's just my opinion. My last thing to y'all. Y'all beautiful regardless. If a nigga gonna love you, he's just gonna love you for who you are. Not for the person you are from the outside, which is the beauty. Because you know what? All these things ain't gonna be there forever. Anything could happen. Accident, face messed up, booty eating up. Then what's gonna happen? He's just gonna walk away because none of this thing ain't gonna be there no more. Stop killing yourself. Accept yourself for who you are. Thank you.